My friends, it's been a little while. Life's been moving mile by mile. I'm packing dreams in boxes too. City lights fading into skies of blue. Out where the stars shine clear and wide, I'm finding peace on the countryside. And though I'm quiet for a little spell, my heart's still singing. Can't you tell I'm still right here? I'm not gone far, just trading noise for the sound of stars. I'm still your Izzy, same old soul with stories waiting to unfold. So keep that love light burning true. I'm coming back for me and you, yeah. I'm still right here, still right here. There's a new sunrise over my porch, a country breeze, a gentle torch to light the way for songs to bloom. In this quieter, wider room, the river hums a sweet refrain, healing heart and sparking flame. So while I'm gone, just know it's real. Your faith in me is what I feel. I'm still right here, I'm not gone far, just trading noise for the sound of stars. I'm still your Izzy, same old soul with stories waiting to unfold. So keep that love light burning true. I'm coming back for me and you, yeah. Still right here, still right here. Sometimes you've got to slow the pace to find your peace, your sacred space. But every note and word I write still carries you through day and night. I'm still right here, I'm not gone far, just tuning up my old guitar. And new songs rising, clear and free from this quiet soul. Call me, so thank you all for standing near. Your love still echoes in my ear, yeah. Still right here, still right here.
Hey, my beautiful tribe. It's been a little while since I last shared a song, quote, or story with you. I've been moving, not just homes, but hearts, from the rush of the city to the calm of the countryside, learning to breathe again, to listen, and to create from a quieter place. But through it all, your love has never left me. Your patience, your messages, your kindness, they've been my light, my melody, my reason to keep creating. So thank you for waiting, for believing, for staying right here with me. The best is still to come, and every project I create is my way of saying I love you. I'm still right here, always have been, and always will be.